I'm going to stay in this spot for a minute, so I thought, well, let me just film this, and that way I don't have to take it to my other room and then bring it back over here in my sewing area. So this is a sew sampler box. I accidentally joined. I accidentally joined, you guys. I really did. So Trending Tradition, February. This is February's box. You usually get a coupon on the back, and it's an okay coupon. So, okay, so let's see what we got. Super bright, flexible LED craft light. I wasn't really happy with this kit. I didn't think it was worth the value. And so I stopped after I think 3 boxes. And I'm not sure if I have to keep this for 3 months or not. Quilting Needles by Tulip. Hiroshima needle, super polished finish. So I don't know if I'll keep it or not. Is this Aurifil? I hope it's Aurifil. No, it's Gutterman. Gutterman orange. And yeah, I just, you know. So this Thick and Thin quilt pattern and pressed flowers quilt along, Cosmos, and a I can't stand Civil War fabric. Just browns, you guys. Browns and just dark brownness really just depresses me. And so I really don't like these colors. I don't work with these colors because they just are not inspiring to me. They are not. So to me this looks like Civil War stuff. So, and I think, I want to say this kit is like 48 bucks. And I just, you know, like I said, it was an accident on my part. I didn't realize what I was doing when I was trying to get the Lori Holt set. So, okay, they're saying this is $25.98 value. But I think it's only $25.98 value when it's, you know, in your kit. Because when they sell things on, okay, this is only 26 pieces. So when they sell things online, it's a little bit more expensive than that. This is a $26.98 value. This is an $8.74 value. This is a $9.98 value. And this right here is a $1.98. Yeah, this is Gutterman. I don't believe is, I mean, Kimberly uses Aurifil, like swears by Aurifil. The Gutterman I think you see at Hobby Lobby. So I don't think I would use that. Yeah. This is a $4.98 value. So yeah, okay. I really don't like it. I really don't like it. And these patterns are everywhere. So these patterns you don't even need a pattern. You can just do this on your own. So yeah. All right. So I don't know if I can cancel or not. I don't know. Because, I mean, January was like, whoa. January was amazing. Right? And I'm sorry if it offends anyone. This is just my personal opinion. Okay? This is just my personal opinion. I was trying to get the Lori Holt box last month. And I hit that, I get 99-cent join. I don't know. But anyways, I'll be putting these, I'll probably put all this stuff in a raffle basket for my guild. And I'll just give it away. So, yeah. Alright guys, take care. Bye.